So it's Gwyn Evans, and I thought I would take this opportunity to talk to you about the Gwlad agriculture policy. Here on the farm, we believe that the best job for farmers is to grow food, quality food. At the same time, you can do conservation, you can do environmentally friendly things. As you can see behind me here, we've built over 1.5 kilometers of wall, dry stone wall, and on this side you can see it a bit closer, and behind it there is a woodland which we have regenerated. Come with me for a second. And the other thing that we have done is we have 2 miles of hedge that we have replanted. On top of that, we put 4,650 trees. This is all happening alongside of the farming. This land that you see here is organic. It hasn't had man-made fertilizer for over 30 years. It's possible. It works. It's hard work, but it works. What the other parties are thinking of doing is to have trees all over Mid Wales in particular. They want 100,000 hectares covered in trees. That takes 2,000 family farms out. We are completely against that. We're also against the white paper. We're also against the NVZ. Something needs to be done, we agree, but this is a steamroller to crack a nut. Go to gwlad.org and have a look, please, at our manifesto for more detail on agriculture. But it's a lovely day here in Mid Wales.